Hello guys, what is going on? techroomuk here. So for today's video we have a mobile phone from Oukitel. This is the WP35 model with 5G. This is a rugged phone, so it's got a huge battery, 11,000 milliamps. It's got a night vision camera and it's got some pretty cool design I'm gonna show you. This is the box of it. The box looks quite nice. We got this carbon design with the orange. I think it fits really good. On the back of the box you have some specs. So 6.6 inch Full HD plus screen, Android operating system, 5G octa-core processor, Dimensity 6100 plus, 64 megapixel rear camera, 32 megapixel front camera, GPS, Bluetooth, dual SIM plus eSIM, 11,000 milliamp battery, fingerprint sensor, and all the goodies. Yeah, as I told you, it's got a night vision camera, which is quite cool. Let's go ahead and open the box. I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside. After that, we're going to have a look at the phone. Let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so after opening the box, this is what we get inside. We get a warranty certificate right here. We get a battery warning and cable warning. Basically they say use the provided cable if you don't have a better one. We got an instruction manual right here, which is quite simple to read in different languages. They even included some pictures. The nice thing about it is that they included an 18-watt charging brick. This is a UK charging brick, 18 watts fast charging for this phone. It's USB Type-C. Most of the phone manufacturers don't even include a charging brick anymore, or a cable for that matter. We got a USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging and data cable. And of course we have the phone itself, which came with this transparent silicone case around. This is how it looks. The camera design is quite cool. So we got three types of camera. The infrared one, macro I think, 64 megapixel one, super performance HD camera, that's what they say. We got a flashlight light here on the right hand side. I think this is the infrared sensor right here. IMEI numbers and so on. And yeah, basically this is how the phone looks. I'm gonna take off the case on the next part of the video so I can show you guys. On the bottom right here we have speakers and charging port. The charging port is covered because the phone is waterproof as well. So after you finish charging this, just plug the silicone muffle, I guess, back in and you'll be waterproof again. And yeah, the phone looks quite good. Obviously it's a rugged phone, so it's a bit heavy and a bit thick, but some people are looking for this kind of stuff. I like the design a lot. It looks really good. We have a smart key right here on the side, which can be programmed to any function you want. For example, just launch the Spotify app, or launch the infrared camera when you press it, or whatever you want. It shows you that right here you have SIM cards. We have a volume button, up and down. We have a fingerprint sensor, which also functions as a lock and unlock button. And yeah, pretty much it's quite cool. I like the looks. Let's go ahead and remove the plastic film from it, and I'm gonna show you guys how the menu looks like. And that night vision camera, obviously it's the outside, so I can't really use it, but it will still show in black and white infrared. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so I removed the silicone case from the phone. This is how the phone looks like. It's got this rugged plastic look on the side, silicone obviously to make it shockproof, with these metal accents on the right and the left side. The SIM tray is actually right here, which is waterproof as well, with that silicone plug. Same as the charging port right here on the bottom. On the back right here we have obviously the camera and sensor array. We have a nice textured finish right here, which is quite nice. Obviously the phone has a thicker design and it's a bit heavy because of that 11,000 milliamp battery, so the battery will last a very long time. Apart from that, the display works really good. Like any other Android phone, it looks very sharp, very clear. If we pull with 2 fingers from the top, we get access to the menu. So you have a Bluetooth flashlight, NFC, 5G, hotspot, underwater mode, so you can take pictures underwater, extra dim, microphone access. You can turn off the sensors as well. Night light, dark theme, everything that you can think of, this one has it. Given it runs one of the latest Android systems, and yeah, I like it. The sound of it is really amazing. It's got quite nice speakers, but the most impressive it's probably the camera. I took a picture here earlier of the box. As you can see, the colors are really crisp, and the details as well. You can zoom in and check everything. If we go to the camera app, you have some functions right here on the bottom. So you have video, night vision, 64 megapixel, beauty. The beauty mode will give you some filters. If you go on the night vision, everything will turn black and white. Obviously now during the day it won't show as good because it's basically daytime, but as soon as you step outside and it's dark, obviously it will look way better. Now the image became clearer. So yeah, it basically gives you superpowers, allows you to see in the dark, which is really cool, especially for people that are into like survival stuff or hunting, or this is the phone for it. The battery lasts ages. I think it will last you about a week if you use it normally without games and stuff. And yeah, the camera, the main camera is quite good as well, 64 megapixel mode. We have, obviously that will take more memory on your storage, but the storage is 256 gigabytes, so that's a lot. It's got a lot of RAM as well. I think 8 gigs of RAM or 12 gigs of RAM, plus you can add extra RAM from the storage. So yeah, it's a really great phone. I will have the link into the description below if you guys want to buy it. It's definitely a niche product for people that are into this stuff, have like a construction job or are into survival stuff or stuff like that. I'll have the link in the bio if you guys want to buy it. It's a great choice for the type of phone it is. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next time.